This video is to help explain the box method for multiplication. So we're going to use the problem 68 times 31 for our example. Again, this is the box method for multiplication. It's a little bit different than the box method for division. Division is a little different than the box method for multiplication. But they're called box method because they are in boxes. All right, I have a 2-digit number times a 2-digit number. So I need to have 4 boxes. I'm going to separate my two numbers into their place value. So expanded form, as we call it in 4th grade. So we need to expand out 68. 68 is going to be 60 plus 8. 60 plus 8. I'm going to do the same for 31. 31 in expanded form is 30 plus 1. Now I'm going to use my box to help me organize my multiplication. I'm going to start with this first box. The two numbers touching the box are 60 and 30, so I'm going to multiply 60 and 30. 6 times 3 is 18. I always underline it, and then we tap in our zeros. So 60 times 30 is really 1,800. You can also do the numbers inside if that helps you as well to know what you did. Next we have 30 times 8. 30 times 8. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. Underline it. Tap in that 0. Or 8 times 3 is 24. Tap in the 0. Next we're going to do the bottom boxes. So 1 is going to multiply by 60 and 1 will multiply by 8. So 1 times 60 is this box. 1 times 6 is 6. Underline it, tap in the 0. Our next box is going to be 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Underline it, no zeros to tap in from those external numbers. All right, to find out the answer to 68 times 31, I'm going to add up what's inside each box. It's easiest to do biggest number to smallest number, so that way you set up your place value correctly. So I'm going to start with 1,800. 1,800 plus 240. So make sure these numbers line up, so that way you're not adding 1 plus 2 because you slid it over. Next, I'm going to add in 60, and then I'll add in 8. If your learner has difficulty adding, they can just do 2 numbers at a time. Add up the top, add up the bottom, add them all together. All right, so I have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 10, so leave your 1's place. Carry over the 10's place. We have 1 plus 8 plus 2 more, so 9, 10, 11. Again, write the 1's place, carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. And there's my answer. So you separate your numbers, multiply them into their boxes, pull out the answer, the product of each box, add them, and then there's your answer.